Grip it.
You can't even grip it. Y'all ready to go?
Yes,
So we're gonna get ready to go check out some cars and do a trunk or treat. Let's get out of here, guys. Let's go. All right, guys, we made it here. It's a big, super turnout, man. Latin Edge, they always come through. This line is wrapping around, going down the whole street. I don't know what the line is for. That's just for candy. Let's go look at the cars first. Y'all want to stand in this line?
No. What is this line for?
I don't know what the line is for. Let's go talk to Lupe and see. I don't know what the line is for. I guess just for candy, but we're gonna go holler at Lupe and see what's going on. There go Lupe right there.
Where? There's a big chicken.
A big chicken? Oh, I can't make it through here. Hold on. Hold on. Let's go this way. Hey, how you doing? Oh, fine. Come on, let's find Lupe. Find Lupe over here somewhere. I just seen Lupe. There he is. Lupe! What's going on? Big turnout, brother.
One more time, man.
Yeah, it looks good, man.
Appreciate you coming down, Safari.
Yes, sir. Good to see y'all. Yes, sir. Where, brother? Good to see you.
Y'all got a lot more places to go.
Oh yeah.
I'll just take, cause I got a list of them.
Right.
At this
Yeah. I like this. Yes, sir. Check him out. That's a nice setup. Guys, we got the music going, so y'all know we're gonna have to B-roll this. What you get? What you get? Look at brother. Look at brother. Hey, y'all, look at this one.
And it stopped at 12:30. It imagine it was so darn hot, and I was thirsty. I wanted something cool.
Oh, they gonna win. They gonna win. Y'all see how that?
When I got downstairs, I noticed something was wrong.
They gonna win on that one.
I didn't even wait to see.
Shane. Look at this one. They got the center console too.
We up the block to come down and stop screaming. Then I thought, what? I must be dreaming. Stroll back home with the grand on my grill.
Y'all finish trick-or-treating and then we'll check out some of the cars.
The house, big bad French Prince. The Brady killed all that noise so quick. You got anybody that
This look good. Oh yeah, this look good. Clean install. Dang. Hold on, I know who that is. What up, brother? You good? You just chilling? Hey, the kiddo's getting big. Hell yeah. Good to see y'all. He want to look at the cars. So like they doing it's gonna be first, second, and third place best trunk. So that's what they really looking at, and then first and second, and third place on Best costume.
What we got here?
You got the Harley up
We
here.
don't even know anymore. Wow, a lot of content for everyone.
Yeah.
There you go.
Got the Harley up here. What's up, man?
What's up, brother?
You alright?
Yes, sir.
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Hey, this another one? Another project? Golly. I gotta check it out. You just getting it ready?
Nah, it's been there.
It's been. Oh, okay.
Came out, I've been working.
Yeah. So me too.
It's all original.
I've been working and building the 72, man.
Yeah.
Alright guys, my partner Freeze, he got a 76. He getting ready to let it come to the Silky Smooth gang, guys. 76 coming to the channel, guys. I turned off the camera because we was talking business, but 76 coming to the channel. What y'all think, man? Yeah? You having a good time? Yeah? Y'all having a good time? Tell mama she missed out.
Yep.
She missed out, huh? You gotta tell her. Tell her. Tell mama you missed out.
Look at the track car.
Oh, y'all finish up the line and then we'll look at the cars. Look at the princess. Y'all doing all right?
Yeah.
All right. Y'all finish up the line and then look at this Impala, guys. My bad, guys. I'm all over the place. We just got here, just trying to get filled out everywhere. I like this boy right here. There's gold on there. Got the top done. Good. What it's all about. What it's all about.
Her bag's too heavy. Thank you. Thank you.
This one yours too?
What up to, man?
Dude, working, building cars. I didn't bring none today, man, the rain and stuff. But I'm building a 72 Buick LeSabre convertible. Yeah.
You're mending or what?
Yeah. I'm doing a lot of cutting and welding on it right now. Y'all ready? Where y'all want to go? Where y'all want to go? What y'all think about this truck right here? With the ghost flames. Got the ghost flames on there. Looks good. Looks good. I'm gonna run to the truck real quick, guys. I gotta refuel. Oh, there go Megan. There go Megan. Uh-oh. Guys, there's a lot of people out here. Uh-oh. There's a lot of people out here, guys. Happy Halloween.
What is he doing?
Yes, sir. Good turnout. Shout out to Latin again, making this happen. That is scary. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Hey, that's a good costume right there. What's that? Y'all see that? Did you see that?
It's scary.
Well, it's a real company. Yeah, wow.
Yeah.
Sick, crew.
Y'all don't need that. Yo, you don't need that. You don't need
I
that.
didn't know.
We just watching. We just watching.
I got it.
Beanbag, folks. Get to the
Want
beanbag.
to do a beanbag toss? All right.
It's all right.
Throw it, sister.
Look at that
Got
wind
it.
kicking.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay.
Say sorry.
Oh. Gotta look at this car over here. Hey, what's up?
How are you?
Cut! Come on, man. You alright?
You know, it's all good.
Yeah. That's his car right here. Old school. And we got the Lincoln. That's a good shot right there, guys. Hold on, let's get that thumbnail. Hey, you gotta dance. You gotta dance.
I can't dance right now, man. It's hot here.
You fired, bro. You fired. You don't even know how to B-roll right.
Yeah,
You
dude.
fired too. You fired. You fired.
She never was the cameraman.
Y'all ready to
I'm
go?
the camera girl.
Alright guys, I wish I could have recorded more. A lot of copyrighted music going on, but it was a super big turnout. Like I said before, big shout out to Latin Edge, man. They always doing stuff for the community. Good turnout. Y'all have fun? Look at y'all back there just in that candy, Look at brother over here, man. Alright guys, y'all already know the routine. We'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.